Welcome to Pente Spotlight, where we break down the biggest tech news in a way that actually makes sense. Today, we're talking about how AI is completely flipping online shopping and why a review site called Trustpilot is suddenly one of the hottest players in the game. I'm Emily, your data privacy hawk and professional, wait, who's watching your shopping habits person.
And I'm Lucas, tech enthusiast, online shopping addict, and the guy whose purchase history is basically a museum of impulse decisions. Proud of it.
That is deeply concerning. Okay, so traditionally, you'd Google best headphones, click a few links, and decide. That whole model? Dying. People are now just asking ChatGPT directly, and the AI recommends one thing. Done. No scrolling, no 10 blue links.
Which is amazing for shoppers. Faster, smarter, more personalized. But here's the big question. Where's the AI actually getting its information from? Who taught it what's trustworthy?
Exactly, and that is where Trustpilot comes in. They hold millions of real customer reviews, and AI companies need that data to make good recommendations. So Trustpilot is now partnering with major AI platforms. The result? Their traffic from AI-based search exploded by 1,490% in just 1 year.
That's not growth, that's a rocket with a jetpack. And it's not just Trustpilot. Walmart lets you buy things inside Google's Gemini chatbot now. Shopify built tools so AI agents can browse products and check out, all without leaving the chat. Microsoft's Copilot is pinging up with PayPal too.
So we're moving toward a world where an AI chats with you, picks a product, and pays for it. Convenient? Yes. A little bit. The AI knows everything about my wallet. Also, yes.
Baby steps, people, baby steps. But genuinely, this means your reviews matter more than ever. What you write about a business today could influence what AI recommends to someone tomorrow.
And that's actually kind of powerful. Yeah, that's all for today's Pente Spotlight. Bottom line, AI is the new front door for shopping. Earn trust through real reviews, because in this new world, authenticity wins.
Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and stay curious. Your voice shapes what AI recommends next. Thanks so much for listening. See you on the next Spotlight.